Welcome to Greetings of the Day. Greeting people is very important in German, as in any other language. In this lesson, we will learn how to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and how to reply. Good morning in German is Guten Morgen, and the reply is Guten Morgen. Good afternoon in German is Guten Tag, referring to good day, and the reply is Guten Tag. We can also say Guten Nachmittag, and the reply is Guten Nachmittag. Good evening in German is Guten Abend, and the reply is Guten Abend. We can also say Abend, and the reply is Abend. Good night in German is Gute Nacht, and the reply is Gute Nacht. In this lesson, we learned how to greet someone and to reply. So let's practice. I'll say the greeting and you reply. Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Nachmittag. Guten Abend. Gute Nacht. Welcome to More Greetings. In this lesson, we will learn how to say nice to meet you, have a nice day, and goodbye in German. When we meet someone for the first time, we say erfreut, and the reply is erfreut to a man or a woman. To wish people a nice day in German, we say schönen Tag. The answer to schönen Tag is schönen Tag. To wish people a nice evening in German, we say schönen Abend. The answer to schönen Abend is schönen Abend. To say goodbye in German, we say tschüss. The answer to tschüss is tschüss as well. In this lesson, you learned more greetings in German. Repeat after me. Erfreut, schönen Tag, schönen Abend, tschüss.